Well, as you can see by the shininess on this right here, and if I go around here, you can see where it's dull. This was out of round. I've already taken about 4/1000ths of an inch off of it, and we still have about another 4/1000ths of an inch to go in order to assure that our worm gear here is concentric with our pinion shaft gear. A total maybe 8 to 9/1000ths of an inch out around. I'm going to go all the way. We've got this gear between centers, so we know it's absolutely dead straight. We bushed this end of the gear with a piece of bronze and machined it absolutely concentric, piloted it to our new bushing. And now we've got everything going in here. We're just verifying across the length of this thing that it is concentric and even all the way throughout its range. So there we go for the Hamilton 2-speed jack.